Hey everyone, what's up? It's Nitro, Life's Resurrection Project. Gonna get out here and try to get some stuff done with this light bar, everybody. As you can tell, we got the lights on. I'm gonna try to get this light bar installed, and then I won't be able to wire it until Friday. So we get it wired up on Friday. I'm waiting for marine grade heat shrink tubing. So I can run all this wiring down through 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch heat shrink tubing, marine grade, so nothing gets wet. But I can at least get the light bar, try to get it mounted today, and go from there. So we're really trying to move along on this thing, get it up and running. Me and Mommy's getting that itch to ride, everyone. So stick with us. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'm going to put y'all on hyperdrive, man. Peace.
Men live lives of quiet desperation. It's one of my favorite quotes ever because it's true. You're just in this world where you just can't wait to just run away. But I think one of the reasons why these people have this deep-seated anger and resentment is there's a bunch of people out there that have these lives that are deeply unsatisfying, because I think there are so many people that are working all day long doing something that is deeply unsatisfying and almost painful.
Yeah, it's soul killing.
Soul killing. They're stuck in traffic all day, and then they're stuck in a cubicle after that. They relish the time to take a in the bathroom and look at their phone. I mean, they literally do that. That's a highlight of someone's day. They get in traffic on the way home. They get home after that, they're watching television, and they're f***ed. If people have a regular day job, if you could just find some one thing that you do as a passion project and just keep building on it, just keep watering it, keep adding fertilizer, keep giving it attention, keep giving it focus, and you can escape. You can escape, and you can be self-serving. You could be okay. You're gonna be okay. Making furniture feels good. If you make furniture for a living, and you feel a great satisfaction out of that, and you sell that furniture. Look, man, if you can do that, you could cut those corners perfectly and sand everything down nice and stain it, and then it's done, and you get this satisfaction, and you sell it to someone, and that pays your bills. That is infinitely more satisfying than being stuck in some fucking cubicle working for.
All right, everybody. I got the light bar on. Got the side lights done. Light bar's on. Everything works. I just need to put the turn signals on. I need to finish wrapping up all this wiring. Get the turn signals mounted underneath these spot lamps. I can't do that till Friday, everybody. I have marine grade 20-foot roll of 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch shrink heat tubing coming, so I can get all this wiring tucked in. But I think everything turned out absolutely beautiful, everybody. So if you please leave a comment below. Let me know what y'all think. Because Nitro says, F around, find out, everybody. But Light bar's done. Bright lights work. That's just all the LED lighting on it. So if you like what you see, everybody, hit that, give me that like button, give me that thumbs up, and I'll wrap this up as soon as I get my tubing in, get the turn signals on, and I think we're going to be done stamped for this winter. Me and Brat want to ride. And then I'll continue on it, you know, with it being a Cholo. It's constant buying stuff and tricking it out. If you know, you know. If you're riding with 20s, hit me in that comment section. Let me know. All right, everybody, I'm going to drop this video right here. Take a breather. I got my brother-in-law and my sisters coming in to spend the weekend. They love it down here. Like I said, my brother-in-law and sister's coming. Sister asked her husband where he wanted to go for his birthday, and she said, "I want to go." He said, "I want to go to Nitro's house and hang out." So they're coming down to spend the weekend, and we smoke over here. So, all right, everybody, we'll continue this project Friday. Get the turn signals mounted, get all this heat shrink tubing installed, get everything tucked in tight. It should be ready to ride. So if you've followed along this journey, man, please like, subscribe, and share. Nitro.